Hey, this is Samantha here from RecipeThis.com and the voice behind the popular Kitchen Gadgets podcast, Magic with Gadgets. Today I want to show you just how easy it is to make an omelette in the air fryer on a paper liner. This is brilliant, it's so easy for your breakfast or brunch, or they're just great to have for supper when you've got the munchies. And of course you can fill them with any of your favourite omelette fillings. What ingredients are we going to be using in ours, you may be wondering. So Dom's diced me up some pepper, some red onion, cherry tomatoes, and then of course some cheese. And then to make it into an omelette, we've got a couple of eggs and we've got some whole milk. And then of course I'm loving this jug that I got from Lakeland, and it's brilliant because I can mix any of the omelette ingredients in here if I wanted to, and then pour them directly onto the paper liner, and it just makes clear up even easier. And let's get started, shall we? So first of all, paper liners. These are the paper liners we use. The pack seems to last forever, even though I use them so much. So I only need one. So paper liner into your air fryer basket. You have to be careful with it because it's easy if your air fryer is not straight, if it's more like that, for some of the egg mixture to tip out. So just be careful as you're adding it. And then of course, back to my mixing jug. So into the mixing jug, 2 eggs. I'm using large eggs here. If you are using small ones, then I would suggest taking it up to 3 eggs. And then quick mix. Then add in a splash of milk. And then another stir. And then the question is, what seasonings are you going to use in yours? I just so happen to have some oregano out anyway, so I'm going to use some oregano. And then of course some salt and pepper. And then give a quick stir. And then what you can do is you can add your cheese directly to this if you want to. It's totally up to you. So a bit of cheese in there as well. And then what you can do is you can add your mixture in. So I'm adding here plenty of onion and pepper. And then you can add that as a bottom layer to your basket. And then pour over your egg mixture. Give it a mix round so that it's everywhere. And then I normally finish off with some cherry tomatoes on top. And then your omelette's ready to go on. I mean, wasn't that easy? I've been touching raw eggs, so I'm just going to give my hands a quick wipe. And this is actually what I make myself for breakfast in the morning. I've always been a big fan of omelette in the air fryer. And then if I am in a big rush, then I normally do it in the microwave instead. But in the air fryer is lovely. So now, take a look at that. That's your filling so far. Put it on. And then 180 Celsius. Then 180 Celsius, 360 Fahrenheit, 15 minutes. And you've got a beautiful air fryer omelette with whichever fillings you want. Did you know that we have a free air fryer mini course? It runs for 5 days, is delivered by email, covers 5 important air fryer beginner topics, and includes a free PDF and free recipes. Simply head over to RecipeThis.com and search mini course for full details. And we've beeped! So shall we check on our air fryer omelette for you and just show you what it's like when you do a paper liner one. Many years ago I shared on our YouTube channel and on our blog how to do an air fryer omelette. It was long before the paper liner trend. So it was in a tin like the sort you would use for a cake, and it used to take a minute to get it clean again afterwards, whereas with this it's just a simple paper liner and it's so much easier. So let's check on it, shall we? And wow, that looks fantastic. so. And you grab it by the paper liner. And there you have it. That is your omelette air fryer style, and it just looks absolutely fantastic. So if you look here, it comes away really, really easily as well. It's like a perfectly cooked omelette underneath as well. There's no worry about it not being set if you look there. And then of course, slice into it. Need to blur this one though. That is a delicious omelette in the air fryer, and like I say, it's so easy, and you're just doing it on the paper liner. So essentially you could eat it off the paper liner, and sometimes I just place the paper liner on top of a dinner plate when I have it for my breakfast. I have it with some mayonnaise, and it's just perfect for an easy breakfast that will fill you up as well. Have you checked out Air Fryer Easy Everyday yet? It's our brand new air fryer cookbook, following on from the success of the complete air fryer cookbook. It has over 140 everyday air fryer recipes for you to follow along with at home in your air fryer. Perfect for different types of air fryers too, as it covers the air fryer oven, basket and dual air fryers, as well as some fun recipes if you're cooking for one. So what are you waiting for? Go and order yourself a copy now and you will not be disappointed. It's from 12 years of air frying. And thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to follow us on Pinterest, Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and of course, you can also find us on TikTok. But best of all, head over to recipethis.com/newsletter to join our weekly newsletter. And I'm Sam, and thanks again for watching.